Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect to a VPN using NordVPN. First, go to the NordVPN website, create an account, and select what sort of plan you would like to use. Once you have created an account, you'll be prompted to download the VPN either for a mobile phone or for Windows. Download it for whatever device you want it for. However, for this video, I'm going to show you how it works on Windows. Once you have downloaded it and logged in, you'll come to a page like this. To connect to a VPN, all you need to do is click on Quick Connect, and just like that, you've connected to a VPN. If you would like to connect to a different VPN, all you need to do is come to the More Connections options, click on it, and on the search bar, search for whatever country you'd like to connect to. I'll select, for example, India. Click on India, and now you can see that I've connected to a VPN in India. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.